Hey, what's up, guys? This is Russ Navarra here. A little late. I done a video early in the week. It was, I believe, Friday. I was off, and me and my wife had went to Home Depot, and there's some boxes that I thought y'all might be interested. Sorry about the poor video quality. We were kind of in a hurry, and I was trying to be a little bit stealth. There was quite a few employees wandering around, stocking and that. It was towards the end of the day. I just wanted to kind of show you some new boxes that are out there, some ideas for some of you new guys that might be getting in the field of the industrial maintenance or just into the automotive part. A couple of them really for the industrial maintenance. I don't know if any of you have been in the field. A lot of the wood tops, especially if you work in a factory around food and things, you can have wood. But I do like some of the wood tops and things. It's just most of us have to have the stainless tops or whatever, and they get banged around or whatever. But yeah, if you get a chance, just like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos. And here it is. And once again, sorry about the poor quality of the video. Check it out, guys. Milwaukee heavy duty tool carts. I think it'd be awesome. There's been times I could have used something like this. And then I have the Husky. It's Hoss Daddy. I have one of these, not like this, but a Husky at the house. And it's done me for about the last 10 years, but it's about time to get another one. Price on this one with a stainless top. And they have a few smaller ones. Split top that lifts up. That might be kind of handy. You got your drawers. Let's walk around over there. They've got a red one, but the whole, I don't know, it's locked. It's a Milwaukee. But this one would be like a good work box. The tray slide. You've got one big drawer, screwdriver drawer. You got where you can put your screwdrivers down in here. I don't know if you can see it very well. You've got a box that you can put stuff in, and you can probably put a lock on it if you wanted. You've got all your USB stuff in there. It's soft close doors and that. And then they also have this one over here, 32. They've got the strap on it, but I think it does the same thing. But it's got a wood top, and that don't work in industrial maintenance. And then they're starting to get the colored ones in. You know, for you people that are just starting out, this wouldn't be a bad box. or for home. They've got black, they've got green, they've got orange, and they've got white. And then you go back to the regular Husky and the bigger Husky and the bigger Milwaukee. This one I like, it's got the digital lock on it. This one's nice because you have your single locking drawer. You can put your billfold or personal belongings in it. I like the box I have at work. This charger here are awesome, at least the Lowe's one that I have. It's fast charger. I can charge my phone within a matter of an hour or so. This one I like because it does have places you can put hooks and things and screwdrivers, and it's got a little bit more room than my Lowe's one. It goes the full length of it. See what else they have for boxes. There's the same box. They got it in a black also. I don't know if you can see that very well. But that's their box selection that they have. I kind of like the one that you can, you got a little shelf, and I guess this shelf, I think you lift it up. I don't know, I don't want to break it. But you can move it different areas on the box, which is nice. A little bit pricey in my opinion for the money. And then you've got the smaller one. This one's $700 total. It's got the built-in power center, plus it's got the soft close on it. It also keys for your, like if you want your personal belongings and things, you can lock just that. But there you go. There's what they have for boxes.